time. The beginning of our story. We had to tame it, sublimate it, master it, to open ourselves to new horizons, clarifying the indefinite, exploring the infinite, making our land a breeding ground for skills, tradition encouraging innovation, to revolutionize the present with our knowledge, stretching the limits of miniaturization, mastering micromechanics, microtechnology, and advanced manufacturing, constantly innovating and improving as pioneers and competitors. Educate. Educating ourselves to imagine the future. Not to follow, but to become the rhythm. Multiplying knowledge, combining it. When science becomes art, and technology is at our fingertips, we look to tomorrow, to the very last detail, taking care of our loved ones, or supporting achievements at the heart of future technologies. We weave a network, we produce, and join forces. Settle here. Live. Settle here. Grow. Together, we innovate. Together, we develop the world of tomorrow. Here. Neuchâtel. What will you dream next?